Good morning, folks. Welcome back from the weekend. Hope you had a good one. We've got an action-packed week ahead. So futures markets opened up yesterday evening, U.S. time, Sunday. We've seen the markets trade down as low as nearly 500 points into the Dow. We're up off of those lows a bit. We were down about 200. Now we're down about 4.25 in the Dow. S&Ps are off 60. So we're seeing the markets across the board down to the tune of about 1.5%. Now, again, the markets are trying to process a lot of the news that's come out since the market closed on Friday, notably around Russia, Ukraine. We're starting to see these financial sanctions take a hit on Russia. The ruble was down over 16%, with the central bank in Russia needing to raise their interest rates up to around 20%. So it's just a lot of chaos going on in the financial markets there, not to mention the chaos that's going on the ground with the tensions that we're seeing between both Ukraine and Russia. So a lot of focus on those or that event. Markets are bound to be very, very volatile based upon the news that's coming out and which way things are going one way or another. So there is talks that both Russia and Ukraine are going to come together at some point today. What comes out of those discussions, who knows? Hopes for a ceasefire. There's a lot that I think people are hoping for, but truth be told, we just don't know. So again, setting itself up to be a very volatile session today. Now, it's an action-packed week. We've got State of the Union address tomorrow. We've got Fed Chairman Jerome Powell speaking before Congress on Wednesday and Thursday. That's right. Inflation is still a massive issue, albeit it's being glossed over right now with all the focus on these geopolitical events. But it is still here, and it's bound to move markets. So should be some ample trading opportunity this week. We're going to see markets moving all over the place. Be ready. If you, again, as I said last week, if you are in the markets trading, make sure that you're focused on those positions and in tune with the news because these markets can turn on a dime. You don't have to hold these positions to expiration. You can always trade out of them early. All right, folks, let's go get after it. It's Monday. We got a busy week ahead. Hope you had a good weekend. I'll see you folks again tomorrow.